Today, we'll take a close look at the Dollar Credit Card, a financial product designed for everyday users. First, let's dive into the advantages this card offers. One key benefit is that it allows payments in multiple currencies, making it ideal for travelers or those making purchases abroad without worrying about high currency conversion fees. It also has a fairly straightforward application process, requiring only basic information. Another plus is its reasonable credit limit, offering flexibility for both small and larger purchases. In terms of services, this credit card includes access to a user-friendly mobile app where you can easily track your transactions, make payments, and monitor your spending. It also comes with 24/7 customer service, so if you run into any issues, help is available around the clock. Now, let's talk about the downsides. One of the biggest drawbacks is the annual fee. While the fee might be competitive compared to other cards, it's still something to keep in mind, especially if you don't plan on using the card frequently. Additionally, if you carry a balance from month to month, the interest rate on this card is higher than the average, which could add up quickly. So, while it's a convenient option for short-term use, it might not be the best choice if you're looking to finance long-term purchases. The cost of the Dollar Credit Card is transparent, and there are no hidden fees, but it's important to keep an eye on the foreign transaction fees. While they're lower than many competing cards, they're still present, and they can surprise you if you're not aware of them. Always check the full terms before signing up to avoid any unexpected charges. In terms of eligibility, the card is accessible to a wide range of users, including people with average credit scores. However, having a higher credit score may help you secure a better interest rate. If you're a frequent traveler or someone who shops internationally, this card could save you money on currency exchange and transaction fees. However, if you're looking for a card with more robust rewards programs or lower interest rates, you might want to explore other options. That's the overview of the Dollar Credit Card, a product with specific strengths and some areas where it may fall short. Don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews on financial products and tips to help you make informed decisions. If you found this helpful, give the video a like